Good morning, everybody, and thanks for tuning in to Mid-Atlantic Weather here on YouTube on this Wednesday, February 10th. At the 10 a.m. hour, let's take a look at the temperatures across the Mid-Atlantic region. It's a fairly mild morning for the middle of February. We have upper 20s to lower 30s across southern Pennsylvania and southern New Jersey, as well as northern Maryland and northern Delaware. Low to mid 30s around the D.C., Baltimore, Annapolis area, and mid to upper 30s in northern Virginia. It's going to be a mild day today with highs near 40. We'll have some increasing clouds as a weather system approaches from the west. And in fact, we do have a winter weather advisory in effect for tonight and Thursday across the region. By this time tomorrow, snow will be falling over much of Maryland, southern PA, southern Jersey, and northern Delaware. However, the headline should be that this is not a major storm. This is a minor snow event that's going to produce a couple of inches of snow. It is not a powerful nor'easter that's going to produce a significant accumulation. We're looking at mainly just 1 to 3 inches across most locations. Now, there's going to be a second wave coming in on Thursday night and Friday, and that's going to bring a more moderate accumulation of snow to central Virginia. Initially, we thought that central Maryland was going to be impacted by both systems, but it looks like that second one on Friday is mainly going to be in central Virginia. Let's take a look at the GFS model and see how it envisions this playing out. You can see tonight we have the first wave of low pressure bringing a round of snow into Maryland, southern Pennsylvania, northern Delaware, and southern New Jersey. And that's going to continue into the early morning hours on Thursday, again with mainly just 1 to 3 inches of snowfall accumulation. By Thursday afternoon, we have a break, and then here comes the second round, but this second round is going to mostly impact central Virginia with a more significant accumulation of snow. There will be some snow showers that move into the Baltimore and D.C. area, but it looks like we won't be getting much in terms of an accumulation with that second system. We will have a break on Saturday morning, and then by Saturday evening and Sunday, here comes another system. This one looks like it's going to be more of an ice situation for Maryland than a snow situation. We'll have to keep an eye out on this. This is just the GFS model, so the models are slightly disagreeing in terms of where exactly the snow and the ice and the rain line is going to set up. But this will just give you a general idea of what we can expect. And then as we go into next week, we're going to have another system impacting the area on Tuesday with, again, there's going to be a snow, mix, and rain area, and it's a little too early to tell exactly where that's going to set up. Here's the weather map valid as of midnight tonight. You can see the snow spreading across the mid-Atlantic area, except for southern Virginia and southern Delmarva, where it's going to be a mix or just plain rain. And this is going to continue from late tonight into the early morning hours on Thursday with just, again, 1 to 3 inches of accumulation. And we do have those winter weather advisories in effect in the mid-Atlantic region, except in Virginia, we have winter storm watches for that second system on Friday that could produce a more significant accumulation, somewhere in the order of 3 to 6 inches. Look at the ice storm warnings from much of Kentucky back into Arkansas, and we do have winter weather advisories all the way into the heart of Texas. Now, yesterday, the National Weather Service in Baltimore, Washington, D.C. was a little aggressive with their snowfall prediction for this event. Usually with these overrunning precipitation events, when it's not an organized storm, it's really hard to get high snowfall amounts, even though the snowfall ratios are going to be a little bit higher than they were with the last system. And indeed, this morning, the forecast was just cut in half, and now it just looks like a couple of inches for Baltimore, maybe a little bit more for Washington and Annapolis. Now, keep in mind, this is for the total event snowfall from Wednesday night to Friday afternoon. So this isn't just for the first one, and then the second one's going to bring some more. This is for the total event. So maybe an inch or two with the first one, maybe an inch with the second one, but nothing really significant. And if we look at the European snowfall forecast, you can see that there's really two parts to this. Wednesday night into Thursday, we're going to have 1 to 3 inches across Maryland, southern Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey, north central Delaware. And then on Friday, the accumulating snow is going to move into Virginia. Well, folks, thanks for tuning in to Mid-Atlantic Weather here on YouTube. I'll be posting more updates throughout the day on Mid-Atlantic Weather on Facebook. And we look forward to seeing you next time.